na nagkaroon ng taong may puso na DOST secretary, nagkataon gumawa pa sila ng ganyan. Tapos dinemonstrate pa namin yan sa isang umaga, pinasara nila ng yung Rojas Boulevard na road sharing talaga sa gitna, ganun ang idea. Tapos sa gilid, Manila Bay, lakad, tapos may bike lane. So it was just an example of what can be done para ma-excite, ma-inspire yung mga tao. Tapos hindi lang yon, meron pa ako yung modernized jeepney, nag-aaway pa kayo. Pwede naman idugtong-dugtong lang yung mga jeepney. Ganun lang, isang makina lang, isang linya lang. Tapos, meron pang inimbento dati na yung Genius na sa Palawan na following the principle of the ant, a pedal-powered mini train. Yan hindi bola yan, picture yan, totoo yung picture yan. Tapos pinagpedal, kasi birthday ni Ayed Hagedorn, celebration namin, tapos inimbita pa namin yung nasa likod, ang nagpipedal yan, hindi ordinaryong tao, Department of Tourism Secretary, sa kanan. Tapos yung sa kaliwa, sino? Tingnan nyo kung sinong itsura niyan. Kasama mo dito, si Lauren Ligarda. Yan sa likod, sila pang nagpedal. Tapos yung nasa gitna, si Gina Lopez at saka ambassador ng Dutch, tapos si Ed Hagedorn. Tapos, it was proven that with two people pedaling, kasi may rail kayong mga engineer, pag may rail tapos hindi pa yan metal, that's fiberglass, that can made out of used plastic molded into sasakyan. Yan, sustainable development, di ba? Tapos, it was proven that two people pedaling, kung naka-rail, kasi smooth, can carry as many as 30 people. So, 6 people pedaling can carry as many as 100 people. Or even more, naka-exercise pa kayo. Di ba, naka-exercise pa? So, si Jimmy Bautista, alam na nito, sabi niya, yung gusto na niya i-implement yung binigyan pa sila ng honorary Normandy Honor for Peace. Gusto niya na i-implement yung arterial road, ginawa ng, at saka hindi bola yan, kung anong gumawa ang DOST, meron ganyang DOST. Tapos may ginawa pa na solar-powered mini train. As early as 2011, yung inilaunch yung the road sharing movement doon sa Cebu. Pinasara namin yung buong mula Capitol hanggang Plaza Independencia sa tabing dagat. So people can see how beautiful it is nga walang sasakyan, tapos naglalakad lang mga tao, yung mga nakabisikleta. Tapos it was called the Filipino Secret, a self-contained renewable energy transport. O yung gano'n, may solar, yun ang nag-generate. 2011 pa yan. Tapos, habang umaandar, merong wind power na nag-generate yan ng baterya. Tapos, here's a very simple example. If you stand up, how much space do you occupy? You occupy 1/8 of a square meter. Kung nakaupo tayo, 1/4 of a square meter. Pero kung nakasasakyan, 12 to 15 square meters. Tapos parking lot pa lang, 15 square meters na. Bakit ganyan? Do you know that there is a scientific finding that 15 square meters, agricultural evidence, 15 square meters, if well planted with food garden, it can feed an entire family for the whole year. Tapos ginagamit na ng parking. Sa mga buang talaga Pilipino, buang talaga tao, hindi lang Pilipino. Ito, tinan mo, nakaparada lang, wasting so much space. I will not tell you where it is. Tapos katabi, merong daanan. I will tell you later where it is. But there was this idea na dinrawing nila na ito, imbis yung parking lot na sa kanan, wide walkway lang. Tapos, yung mga open space, gagawing edible landscape. Lagyan ng kangkong, kamuti, at saka malunggay. Tapos, may wide walkway din. Tapos, rail-based transport lang ang kahit pala, yung bisikleta, wheelchair, pwedeng ilagay sa rail-based. Kayo mga engineer, alam nyo yan. Tapos, kahit nga bisikleta, pwede palang ilagay sa ganun. So, so yan ang sinasabing principle of the ant. Kasi ang mga langgam walang traffic kasi nakaisang linya lang sila. That's the principle of the busway carousel now. That was implemented long time ago. And nobody knows whose idea that is. Sige, yun lang. And then, again, congratulations. Yung What a Wonderful World. Oo.
Thank you, thank you.
Oo.
Actually,
Oo.
when I have hearings that last longer than 2 hours, I really tell people to stand up. That's my standard. In fact, I usually announce that SOP in my hearings is reusable glasses. Do not bring your plastic PET. Bawal yan.
Mhm.
And then stand up whenever you need to. No need to ask permission. Pero first time lang na nagpakanta pa. So, yun, hindi kasama yun dun sa mobility exercise. Yung vocal cords yung naano dyan. Masaya naman. Happy hormones.
Mhm.
So, thank you for that, Attorney Oposa. Always amazing presentation, very inspirational from you. May I get any quick comments from anyone else, because I do have to wrap this up in the next 5 minutes. Please go ahead, Mr. Aguion.
Madam Chair, we support the development of the policy. Maybe just few points. Rationalizing bike lanes as part of the urban mobility and open space. The idea is it's an open space, a public service, and therefore it should be part of the city planning. Therefore, we're looking on how also the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development can work with DOT or DPWH in defining these pathways, this network. And the idea actually is cultural because you're changing mindset. And therefore, it's a representation later on of the how people perceive the space. So that's space making, that space development. And the idea of from previously tactical urbanism to institutionalizing the actual demands, the legitimate demands of the people for travel is very welcome in our development, especially on the secondary and those cities that still have rooms for applying the new standards that we will have developed with DPWH and DOTR. And I think that's a very good presentation from Attorney Oposa, that we do not see the bike lanes or the pathways outside the higher level of urban planning and space development. It should always be integrated, responsive to it. We have the idea of transit-oriented development, how bike lanes transport people to mass transit spaces, and how also these pathways facilitate mobility for those who opt to do that. So this is a welcome. We will support this. We will be giving our comments into writing on later time. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Everyone's participation is highly appreciated. As I've told you, this bill has already passed on third reading in the Senate, but there may be new ideas. We're very happy to incorporate. Whether we will have a technical working group or not will depend on how many comments you all have. We can just have a small meeting. In any case, what I will do is ask you, let us know, like if you can give your comments within 1 week, because I can defend this on the floor immediately if there are minor or no comments. But my staff will be open to everyone who wants to provide additional input. So very exciting. I'm looking forward to this being a reality, especially really with Secretary Dizon at the forefront, understanding the importance of all this. So our hearing is hereby suspended, and I hope to see you in my future hearings. Please come with another song. But we can use the same song. It's very inspirational, so no need naman. Can be the same song. Thank you. Thank you.